See you in the mirror every single night, through the haze of tears, under soft moonlight. The world may spin, but you remain the same, a spark in the dark with a burning flame. You are still that girl. Oh, don't.
Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back into Beauty by Sweet Angel. Your girl, Sweet Angel here. Y'all, I got a doozy today for you. I have 5 best natural remedies to tighten sagging skin. I know as I get older, the skin will tend to drop. Yes, droopy skin is normal, but do we want to see it right now? No, we don't. So we're going to do what we can to prevent it. So today I wanted to share these home remedies for sagging skin to tighten your face, your neck, your chest. Use these on those areas of concern where you have sagging, drooping skin. Let's get into today's treatments and make sure you got your pen and paper out, or definitely snap in some screenshots. We're going to start now with the first one for sagging skin, and that is the usage of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is one of the best home remedies for skin tightening. Okay, so my aloe vera plant leaf has seen better days, but it's still good to use. It contains malic acid, which improves the skin's elasticity. What you'll need: take aloe vera gel or the aloe vera leaf to extract the gel. Extract aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it on your face and neck. Or you can do like me, simply rub it on. Leave it on your skin for about 20 minutes and then rinse using lukewarm water. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. Now all of these are super simple. The next one is egg whites and honey. Wow, yes, egg whites are rich in albumin protein. Egg white is a great remedy for sagging skin. It improves the skin texture by rebuilding the cells of the skin and makes your skin healthy. All that you need is 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix the egg white and honey well. If you have a frother like this one, just simply mix it up. Now apply this mixture on your face and your neck. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Do this simple remedy 3 times a month. And then we have the amazing oil massage. An oil massage will not only tighten your skin, but will also make it smoother and clearer. You can use olive oil for massaging it, as it contains vitamin E and vitamin A. It also has anti-aging benefits. Just take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place it in a small container and then warm it up. Use the warm oil to massage your neck and your face upwards. I decided to pull out my facial massaging tool. It is powered by a battery. The vibration is just what I need on my skin, and awesome goodness is right here. I generally like to do this for about 10 minutes. After I complete it, I just take a clean cloth using warm water and wipe my face off. Now, if you don't have olive oil, you can use coconut oil, almond oil, or even jojoba oil for massaging. Now, I feel like I've shared this one before. We're going to be using ground coffee and coconut oil and 2 other ingredients. Coffee contains caffeine, which makes your skin soft and firm by eliminating fat and moisturizing the skin. The coffee will gently exfoliate your skin, and the antioxidants in it will delay the aging process. What you'll need is about a 1/4 cup of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I forgot I didn't have my brown sugar, so I just put in white sugar and then a half teaspoon of cinnamon. If the white sugar is too gritty for your skin, just leave it out if you don't have the white sugar or brown sugar. If you have the brown sugar, that one is a lot more gentler. Now mix the coffee, the coconut oil, the cinnamon, and the brown sugar. You can use this mixture to gently scrub your face and neck, very gently. Scrub for about 5 minutes and then use lukewarm water to rinse it off. Do this one at least once a week. Now, one of my favorite potions, y'all, rosemary oil and cucumber. Rosemary oil helps in toning your skin and it improves blood circulation. Rosemary oil is rich in antioxidants. It delays skin aging and it improves elasticity. What you'll need is 1 tablespoon of rosemary oil and 1 tablespoon of cucumber oil. And if you don't have cucumber oil, just take half of a cucumber. Now, if you're taking a cucumber, just peel it and then grind it into a smooth paste. Add in the rosemary oil and apply it onto your face and neck. Leave this on for about 20 minutes. Now rinse off with lukewarm water, and you can do this once a week. Let me add in, don't forget to apply these treatments to your hands as well. They work wonders on your hands and are super effective. These home remedies are easy and, as I said, effective. So get rid of the sagging skin with these natural remedies. Now, wasn't that super simple? I just did 5 natural remedies in just a few minutes. And wow, they were amazing. Now, no, you do not have to do all of these at one time. Pick and choose which one you think is best for you or the one you have readily available. But you will find that you have tighter skin after just a few weeks. If your skin has become saggy as you age, these simple yet effective home remedies are here for you to tighten your sagging skin. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for stopping by. You know I appreciate it, right? I do, and that's why I come back time and time again with your requests. So please do me a favor, let me know you appreciate it. Let me know you did get some value out of this video today simply by dropping a like on it. And if you have a moment, I'd love it if you share a heart down below in the comments. That would be divine. Beautiful babes, I'm out of here for now, but you know I'll be back with more of your requests right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. So please make sure you have subscribed and turn on your bell notification so that you'll know as soon as that video drops. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful babes. Take care until then. Bye.